Hi friends, today I'll be showing you an experiment. All you need is 3 bowls and some water. So first I will need a cold bowl of water. Here we go. Now I need a medium and some lukewarm water. So now all I need to do is put my right hand in the cold water and my left hand in the warm water and keep it there for 1 minute. Okay, now I need to put my cold hand and warm hand into the medium temperature water, and now my cold hand feels boiling hot and my warm hand feels freezing cold. Why don't you have a shot and see if I'm actually telling the truth? Please comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like. Bye bye!